Hi guys, this is 2014 Ford Duratorq. So today we're going to replace for the front shocker. You can see the front shock. So here the front shocker. You can see in here part number. We need to off the left hand side, the right hand side, and the coolant tank. You need to take it out. They get the 10mm bolt in here, and the passenger side need to take off this ECU and put the tip over for that side. So we're going to wheel off. Okay, you can see the shocker in here. This side is the oil is leaking. Okay, we need to off in here this shocker bolt and off the brake wiring and the ABS wire. This is this one 24mm bolt. So we off the bolt, you can see that. So now we have to off the lower control arm bolt, this one. Okay, now you can see the access for the 3 bolt, the shocker, 1, 2 and 3. So you got the low control arm, the number 18. So I'm going to push down. So let's really take it out for the low control arm. Okay, we take it out. Right now you can see the shocker. You can move access. So we're going to off the shocker top bolt. This one is at the number 17 here. Okay, last one. Okay, got the shocker out. So we're going to off the shock take it out, need the puller. We need like this puller, the shock puller. So I put the mark in here. We can make sure the line, this stud, straight away this stud, and to center in here. Okay, so the top ball is number 15. Okay, okay, so middle turn. Okay, have to get the rubber mount. Okay, it's the damper. Okay, shocker, we push that down, it's coming slowly up. We can see the difference of the two shocks. Okay, you can see the one is coming straight way up, the other shocking is stuck, so that's why we replace the front shockers. Okay, this is the new the shocker mount. This is the old one. You can see in here it's getting squishing down this rubber. Got the brand new one. You can see the gap. Okay, you can see the difference. There is no gap. This one is the big gap in here, and this one getting flat. So that's why we replace this the shocker mount also. You put the shock damper. So this is the old one. Okay. Now after you put the spring, we're going to tighten the top bolt. That one is now new bolt came. It's a 14mm bolt. Okay. Okay, we done the job. Now we have to put back in the vehicle. So we're going to put back the shocker. Okay, got to line up. Okay, we're going to put the shocker in it. Okay, put the bolt. Okay, going to put the shocker in it in the middle. Put the lower arm. Okay, we put the 7mm bolt, right? Okay, we put the bolt, bottom shocker. So good. Now we have to tighten all the nut and bolts. So we're going to put the ECU back. All good. So we tied the low control arm bolt in here, and the shocker bolts. Put the ABS wire back in, and the brake wire. All good. We want to put. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.